Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious enfrijolada with chorizo that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These delicious chorizo enfrijoladas, these are the ingredients: 1/4 of an onion, garlic, California Chile pods, and I cooked the beans, pinto beans, with 1 clove of garlic, 1 bay leaf, and salt. I have here the chorizo and 1/4 of an onion. Of course, tortillas, corn tortillas. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious and amazing chorizo enfrijolada. So let's get started. I want to start here with the California chili pods. The California chili pods are not spicy, but yet you need to remove all the seeds and the vein. This is very important because you want to make sure that you really elevate the flavor of the beans. Making the delicious sauce with this California chili pods are really gonna make a difference. Once this is done, you're gonna rinse them through running water really good, and then you're ready to add your garlic cloves and hot water. Put it aside and let it rest so that the chili pods get hydrated and soft. And now I'm gonna continue with the 1/4 of an onion. I'm gonna go ahead, put it aside while I continue getting ready the chorizo. I have the chorizo here. I'm gonna take the casing out, and let me tell you, it's not too hard to remove the casing. Just be careful, remove the casing. You're not gonna use the casing, you're only using the chorizo. Look at this. We are going to discard the casing. And now I am ready to continue with the 1/4 of an onion. I'm gonna dice it really good and very small. And now I am ready to prepare the chorizo. While the chili pods are getting hydrated, I am going to start cooking the chorizo. Once you make this recipe, you're really going to love it. It's a very easy recipe, perfect for this hot weather. It doesn't take too long to prepare, but yet it comes out delicious. Once you add it to your hot skillet, just pull it apart, let it cook in medium heat until it starts really cooking, just like that. Look at this. It's going to release the oil, is going to release the liquid, and it's easily going to be pulling apart, just like that. Once it starts getting nice and crispy, then you add your onion. The aroma that the chorizo is leaving, and it's really penetrating my kitchen. I am telling you, these chorizo enfrijoladas come out amazing. Once they're nice and crispy, remember, don't add any extra oil. Let the chorizo release the oil and the liquids. And now I am ready to add the onion. I'm gonna add the onion, cook it for about 3-4 more minutes, and then the chorizo is ready. The aroma of the chorizo is just amazing. Look at this. I wish you guys were here to smell how delicious the chorizo smells. And my kitchen is really penetrated with this delicious and amazing smell. Well, now I am ready to put it aside. I'm going to transfer it to a plate. And I am going to be ready to start making the enfrijolada sauce. Look at this, nice and crispy and delicious. In a very hot skillet, I am going to add vegetable oil. I'm going to add the onion. I'm gonna leave the onion here for just a couple minutes until it starts getting really nice and golden brown. When it starts getting nice and golden brown, it starts releasing the amazing aroma and the flavor of the onion. Of course, the vegetable oil is really infused with the onion flavor. Now I am ready to remove and put it in a small plate. In the same oil, I am going to add my corn tortillas. I am going to add them in here. I'm just gonna cook them for just a couple seconds, maybe 30 seconds, so that they get nice and soft and pliable. I'm gonna do that for the rest of the tortillas. Look at this. You don't need them nice and hard. You just need to get them nice and soft. And then they are ready to go. And now I can't wait to start making the enfrijolada sauce. In my blender, I'm gonna add the pinto beans. I'm going to add the mixture of the California Chile pot, the garlic clove, and of course, the crispy onion. Once you add the crispy onion, then you are ready to blend. Blend it really good until everything is nice and smooth. The color of the beans are going to change completely. Now the sauce is nice and red, and you are going to add it to the same pan where you cooked the tortillas and the onion. You're gonna cook it for about 5 minutes in medium-low heat until it starts bubbling from the center. You decide how thick you want the mixture. If you don't like it too thick, just add a little bit of water and then it is ready to go. But cook it for about 5 minutes. When it starts boiling from the center, that means that the enfrijolada is ready. And now, of course, I am ready to start creating and building up my enfrijoladas, chorizo enfrijoladas. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and start shredding a little bit, pulling apart some of the queso fresco los altos. You could use any kind of cheese. I have queso fresco los altos and I really love this cheese. Of course, you can't forget to add your sour cream. And now I am ready to prepare my chorizo enfrijoladas. They come out delicious every time. You dip your tortilla into the amazing sauce. You add your chorizo with onion in the center and continue making them one by one. Once you are done making your enfrijoladas, chorizo enfrijoladas, then you're just gonna add some of that delicious sauce right on the top. And let me tell you, you're really going to love this recipe. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and of course, only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. And now I am ready to top it off with some cheese and of course, a little bit of the chorizo. I can't wait to enjoy, so I'll see you in just a little bit. I am completely done with this amazing chorizo enfrijoladas. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. They're still nice and hot. My mouth is already watering, and I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Amazing. The flavor of the sauce of the beans with the California chili pots, just perfection made at home. and combined with the prickly pear lemonade that you guys already have on my channel, a perfect recipe for summer. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing chorizo enfrijoladas at home. You are really going to enjoy them. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.